Here we have the Lumibricks Street Fusion record store that we're going to do a quick review on. It's not going to be very long. Here we have the 6 minifigures that come with it. They're all printed. This is a 3-story building and it has light bricks. That way you can see what it looks like when it's lit up, and we'll go ahead and turn off the lights so that you can see what it looks like in the dark. Here it is with the lights turned off. You can see that it's very bright. Now it comes with a power box that is designed to be put onto the side of the building. But I'm not using it. I'm using a rechargeable battery. But since it's not sponsored, I've decided to cover up what the rechargeable battery is. I put it in the FunWhole bag number 1. What I really love about the FunWhole / Lumibricks set is that there are no stickers. Everything that you see that is a decal is actually pad printed. It's fantastic how they do this. They go deep into the details. And what I mean by that is if you look right here, see how that overlaps? That S overlaps the 2 bricks. Look at that. That's because of the pad printing. There's no stickers. Everything is pad printed. Look at that. You have multiple bricks here. There's the seam right there. And they pad print over it. That way that you get one seamless print. It's amazing. The amount of detail is amazing. To open up the building, you have to remove this back piece, and it opens up at a 90-degree angle, and I'll show you that now. It gives you access to the play features. To get access to the top floor, you just pull out the top floor, and you can also take off this wall. That way you have access to the play feature while the floor is still in. The second floor, just like the third floor, comes out, slides out. This is the recording studio. And the first floor comes out. This is the record store. And again, everything is pad printed, no stickers. And then each floor comes off. Oops, that one stuck on there pretty good. We'll have to fix that. And that's it for this short video.